Welcome, Momo. Let's do our best.
Evening, Hank. I'm excited, ready to work.
Tiki, what's on the menu tonight?
Noodles, steak, chicken, pizza, pasta, and strawberry cheesecake for dessert.
Station's ready. Let's start dinner service.
Yes, Chief! Cheers! Going home to watch K-pop Demon Hunters on Netflix with my buddy Labubu.
Money, making crap for money. Money. And
Great work. Here's your paycheck.
Thanks, Hank.
What will you do with it?
Not sure yet. Maybe another Labubu. Let's buy crypto Dogecoin. I don't want to miss out.
Slow down. That's FOMO.
But it could make me rich.
Crypto jumps and crashes a lot.
So I might lose sleep.
Stocks are pieces of a business.
Like owning part of this restaurant?
Yes, Momo. Most tokens are not a company.
So, no profits or dividends?
Exactly. Blockchain is a shared list of money moves.
Like tickets stapled together?
Many computers keep the same list.
So no single boss. That's good, right?
Your wallet address is a mailbox. Private key is your secret key.
Never share the key.
Bitcoin's supply cap is 21 million BTC.
About 19.91 million have been mined so far.
So Bitcoin is scarce?
Some coins print more over time.
So not all are scarce.
Drops of 50 to 80% happen.
That's scary.
Some use cases exist, still very small.
So for most people, it's still hard to use?
First, emergency cash. Next, invest in stocks with real businesses. Diversify.
No all-in bets.
In future, quantum computing may break old crypto locks.
That sounds like hacking. Will my money be safe? Tiki, practice mode only.
Practice mode on.
Businesses earn, many tokens don't.
So crypto's a risky bet, only a tiny amount. Learn with us. Like and subscribe.
See you next shift.